Today you are going to learn the components that go into making a garden tower, because it really is important to have all the materials with you as soon as you're ready to start doing this, okay? All right, so the very first thing, this is a giant roll of shade fabric. So this is gonna make about 25 garden towers, the large ones. You probably don't need this much, but we are going to have links for you on Amazon and other locations where you can get the shade fabric that you need. What you're looking for is 90% shade fabric, and you can actually see through it just a little bit. This is the shade fabric that you need.
The next thing you're going to need besides shade fabric are scissors. Not just any scissors. These need to be sharp, like knives, like really sharp knives, because they're going to cut this fabric and you want them to do a good job so you're not cursing at your scissors. The next thing you're going to need is some tape to mark off either on the table or on the floor your measurements so that you can roll out your fabric or fold out your fabric and cut it to the right size. And you need a measuring tape. Now, if you don't have one like this, that's okay. If you just have a soft one like you get from the fabric store, that's fine too. But you need a measuring tape.
So now we're going to talk about how to sew your garden tower. So once you've got your garden tower fabric cut, you're going to need a sewing machine. And then one of the most important things is this 100% nylon thread. It's really strong. So you want to make sure you use that. You're going to also put it on the bobbin of your sewing machine. Also, nice pins. Pins are going to be a priority for making a garden tower. There you go.
Now comes the fun part. This is what you need in order to put holes in your garden tower in order to grow plants. Now, this is a very special drill bit. You will need an electric drill with this drill bit, and we'll put the link to it. But what it does is it actually drills the holes. And you're going to want bamboo or something that you won't drill a hole through. I've done that a few times. You want something solid that you won't drill the hole through, because you are going to be going through several layers of this when you drill, and you'll be going down like that when you drill the holes. So you want to make sure this is solid. As you can see, lots of dings in it, but no holes.